Hey Rico, I wanted to make you an unsolicited testimonial video to your services for anybody that may be considering you to working with you. And I guess the one thing I would have to say to anybody as an e-commerce brand owner myself of a few e-commerce brands and a digital marketing agency where we create brands from scratch, build them and then launch them. I also find it to be so annoying and sometimes to have to deal with all of the logistics, the manufacturing that goes on within China. And so I can't recommend Rico's business enough for simplifying that process for us and really taking that headache away from me and just allowing me to focus on what we're genuinely really good at. So if you're considering Rico's business for manufacturing or logistics or any of that kind of stuff within China, or really any of the other services that he offers, his group is absolutely the most trustworthy, the most hardworking and honest and dedicated group that we've worked with and have come across when it comes to working with companies within China for manufacturing and pulling all of that kind of whole supply chain there together for us. So hats off to you, Rico, and really appreciate the work that you guys have done over there.